Hey guys, James Reeves, TFBTV. You're watching our coverage for Industry Day at the Range, SHOT Show 2022. Funny story, I'm just walking along, checking out the booths. I see Jake, who's been on TFBTV before, and I know Jake as Jake from OSS. But he's got like this, new kind of fancy logo. I'm like, oh shit, he must have taken a new job. But instead, I mean, tell me what happened here. Like, OSS, what are you guys doing?
Yeah, so OSS, we're really excited. OSS has decided to kind of step forward and really not only take part in a rebrand. So what the OSS that you know exists, it's our parent company. And underneath that is a thing called the HUXWRX Safety Company, which stands for the Human Exposure Workshop. And we're going to focus on expanding out from just suppression technology into systems of systems. We're talking about recoil mitigation, eye protection, hearing protection, everything that surrounds the safety of what somebody, either a professional or recreational user, might be doing. And we're probably going to have some fun along the way too. So really, there's a lot of effort being put into this brand this year. The OSS that you know isn't gone anywhere, and all of that same technology is being poured forward and then being refined into a bunch of new products that we're gonna launch throughout the year with a lot more media around it, and we're gonna tell a lot more of the story behind what it is that we do. So we're really excited.
See, Rick, for me, that's a big thing because, I own suppressors mostly, if not primarily, for my personal safety. I like, my hearing protection. I'm kidding. Let's be honest. We own them for fun. And you guys make some pretty fun stuff. Now, walk us through real quick. Let's assume that some people out there have no clue about OSS suppressors and what you guys do. What makes you different?
Well, OSS, the roots of OSS is pretty awesome. We took an idea, we built the first concept around what is a flow-through, and we own that term, a flow-through technology on a suppressor. So instead of having a standard baffled suppressor, which has been made since really the early 1900s, we decided that we wanted a tech that kind of flows all the way through and then exports all the toxic gas and blowback that happens with all suppressors out the front of the gun. That allows us to do a bunch of different things. One is we don't have to change our bolt dynamics for any weapon system. You can put our suppressor on any gun anywhere and have it just run, which is great. We also have been measuring all of the toxic fumes that come out of the front of the system, and that stuff is really bad. It's way worse for our professionals than we ever knew, and as we move forward and start to really protect hearing, we're causing a lot of other problems on the health side of it. So we're going to focus on that side. On top of it, we're doing a lot of advanced manufacturing techniques. Our newest cans, we've got a lot of fully 3D printed products that are coming out that allow us to really optimize. We have a bunch of new test methodologies around maritime use and maritime application. But really on top of everything, I think you're going to find that from a commercial side, just your everyday user, we're probably the most civilized product you're going to have out there. We reduce recoil. We're the easiest to put on a gun. We're overbuilt, so you'll never have to worry about anything going wrong with it. And we put a lot of pride in everything that comes out our door. So that's what we're doing.
Speaking of, you've got a new can here, right, that you guys are showing off at SHOT 2022. What is it?
Yep, so this is our HXQD 762. What we've done is we've moved to what we call our Geo Flash technology, which is on the end of every can now, which massively reduces any flash for signature across the board. You're going to see this cap on all of our new products. We've got a whole range of pistol products that we've now refined and are moving forward with. This year, you're going to see blast deflectors, you're going to see cleaning technology, you're going to be 3D printed technologies that are coming out, and it's going to be just a ton of fun. On top of that, we're going to tell a lot of stories around this. We're going to meet people like yourselves. We're going to find out what makes you stoked about what you're doing, and hopefully HUXWRX is a place you guys come to, not only for training, but for technical information and for some of the best sort of, I think, collaborative media out there in the industry, because we want people to be a part of it. We want to become a tribe, and that's what we're going to try to do.
Rick, walk me through the specs. What are we talking in terms of construction and features for your new can here?
So this can is stainless. We have both stainless and titanium. We have 3D printed cores inside of this. So we call it our monocore technology, which allows us to really dial all the flow through that happens inside of this. If you see the inside of one of our cans, and it's very easy to do, going to HUXWRX, HUXWRX.com. Brand new website launched last week. You can see all the tech, all the safety specs there. But basically, this is not your everyday product. There is so much technology and so much geometry happening inside of this, but yet still super easy to clean, runs every time, and you can't kill our cans. They're just awesome. They'll be with you for the life cycle.
How am I going to mount this?
Mount it easy. Easy thread mount. We own the patent on a reverse thread mount. It self-tightens as it shoots. And it might be the easiest, simplest mounting solution out there. It'll never fail. You never have to knock it off with carbon lock or anything like that. It's just a really simple, elegant solution that not only the premier professionals use, but now we have a lot of commercial folks out there that are just doing really fun stuff out at their ranges and enjoying what I call civilized shooting.
I really enjoy your mounting system and how it works, but is direct thread going to be an option? I would assume not.
I think I don't want to like leak this too much, but later this year, you're going to see a solution that comes out that has about 8 different mounting options that you'll be able to reverse mount onto pretty much anything that is out there. So,
I'm really curious to see how that turns out. New can, how much is it going to cost, and when is it coming out?
Right now, it's out literally right now. We've now paired it with kits with our mounts, which before we sold a can and a mount separately because we have about 8 different mounting solutions. Now you get it as a kit. These are running on Silencer Shop right now and across the board. You know, depending on whether it's titanium or not, about $950 to about $1,050. Depends on what solutions and package you're buying.
Rick, thanks a ton for being on the program. It's always good seeing you guys. Everyone stay tuned for more SHOT Show 2022.